Mandy. So the first dish we're gonna make gonna be the Gaeng Liang. Gaeng Liang is very my favorite dishes when the dish that I like and I always eat because I love veggie. So whatever vegetable I have to throw it in and all the herbs. So today we do kabocha, it's a squash. So we have to boil it first, and then I'm gonna add some more of all my lesser ginger and onions in my cream also. So I'm gonna use a little bit Western style this time to make it more smooth with my soup. A little bit of pepper here. So one is done, everything heat up. I just wait for the cream heat up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put in the blender. I put ginger in there also. I love this flavor. I'm gonna take this out. Gonna put this aside, but usually we eat this. I love this one. I love in every dishes. That's northeastern style food, but today I don't want it the color because we're gonna make it yellow, so I don't put the green in there. Have a little salt here, about 1 teaspoon, and we need tiny bit of shrimp paste. So now I'm gonna blend. So now we got everything in here, then we're gonna blend it, make it smooth. So it should be done. Dressing up our soup. Seems like we can have more than 2-3 people. Put it here for now. And I will put it from the pumpkin. And some microgreen cilantro on here somewhere. With a cracker, Thai cracker. Then you can enjoy. Ready to eat Gaeng Liang or pumpkin soup. And thank you so much, Mark and Mandy. So I hope everyone enjoy and you can make it at home. Thank you.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.